Hi, welcome to Unit 12 of IDT 3600. For this unit, we're going to be looking at lecture capturing. You're going to be using different software in order to create a podcast, a screencast, and a video. Podcasts are a great tool. They allow students to present instead of standing up in front of the classroom. It also gives them the opportunity to teach or to produce information. Students can make newscasts, they can present their ideas, they can also publish these and make them accessible to anybody outside of the classroom. A screencast is another great tool that you can use. We've already seen these in this class, for example, how to use AutoSum in Excel or how to format a table in Word. It's a great way to show how to do something by using step-by-step instructions. Again, it's a great presentational tool for students to use as well. They can teach their classmates how to do something, and again, they can publish it and make it public. Finally, videos. This is another great presentational tool. Again, it can replace standing up in front of a classroom. It also allows students to create something as a group and also to work on skills such as editing and revising, which is also really important. So looking specifically at the assignments that you're going to do, first of all, there is the podcast. You are going to create a 2-minute podcast in which you are going to talk about 2 ways in which you can use a podcast in your classroom. How can students use a podcast in order to study or present something that is related to your standard? Next, you're going to do a screencast using Screencast-O-Matic. Again, this is similar to the ones we've seen in the course, and what you're going to do is you're going to teach a tech tip or tech skill that you have learned in this class. It might be how to embed in Weebly, or it could be something like how to use the AutoSum, how to format a table, anything that you think, this is something that I've learned in this class. Teach it to somebody else, because as we know, you retain 90% of what you teach. Finally, you're going to create a video. Now there's 2 parts to this assignment. The first part is to get familiar with the video editing tool in YouTube. As part of your teacher training, you will be required at different points in order to record yourself. You'll record lots of video and then will be required to edit them into small 10 or 15 minute sections. You need to be familiar with YouTube video editing. For the next part, what you're going to do is you are going to create a short video, no more than 2 minutes, of you presenting your topic or concept related to your standards. It's going to be an introduction for your students, something that you would use perhaps to get your students excited about the topic that you're going to be teaching. Final thing, in order to upload your lecture captures to your Weebly, you're going to embed them rather than providing a link. Whenever you create things in the internet, you want your user to click as few times as possible. So if you embed the lecture captures, that means they can be played within that page and the user does not have to go to a link on another page. So there is a embed place marker, and you're going to drag that along and you're going to copy the embed code, which looks like this, and you're going to place it there. Also remember that you need to create a reflection for each of your lecture captures, so there will be 3 reflections, 3 embedded lecture captures, all on the same page in your Weebly. Should you have any questions, don't forget to post in discussions or email your instructor, and as always, good luck.